Welcome to Home Stories today. We are exploring how traditional flooring plays a key role in preserving heritage through home design. And today with me, we have an eminent architect Mrs. Shobha Karanawar. Let's dive in.
Thanks, Pallavi. Thanks for this wonderful opportunity.
So, the first question: why are space making elements so important in traditional home design?
Well, to speak about the space making elements like the floors, walls, and the ceilings, I would like to focus more on the flooring. And I would like to definitely pick Athangudi tiles for the traditional homes because they are rooted in nature, timeless, durable, handmade, and they are the mixture of the local sand, cement, and synthetic oxide come in plethora of designs in geometrical patterns as well as floral patterns to suit the decor.
How do traditional tiles help preserve our identity?
Traditional homes are very rooted and very close to our heart. And during our holidays, how we played in the backyard, our kitchen garden, how the different type of materials used, we had no idea. We went barefooted, we used chulas, early morning we woke up, we went to the tulsi katta, evening we lighted the diya before the tulsi katta, and there were wells. We played with the wells, we threw the ropes, and we used lot of different elements. We enjoyed thoroughly. Those traditional things are never going to be outdated. They are more livable, more sustainable, and more rooted in nature and timeless, I can say.
How can traditional elements be incorporated into contemporary designs?
Pallavi, I can say that traditional architecture carries timeless wisdom. See how we visualize our past old age homes, like they were nicely ventilated, they have a wonderful courtyard lighting, they were the lung of the house. We call it totte mane, where we could experience all seasons in a different manner. Like we used to experience rain in the courtyard and play there, and we used to experience a lot of sun drenching the entire central courtyard. So it was something. It is a very timeless beauty as well as functionality, and this is what we are calling it sustainable, which is nothing new. It is just repeating the past, reinterpreting the past.
Shobha ma'am, can you tell me more about the flooring part in traditional homes?
Flooring plays a very important role in the traditional design, Pallavi. It's a very deep emotional connect. The smell of the red oxide flooring, the coolness of the lime plastered walls, and the sound of the rain on the tiled roofs, they all ground us. The traditional homes offers warmth and identity and deep sense of rootedness.
It's just like getting back to your childhood days.
Exactly.
And when I visit the store and when I'm there in the store and I see these tarazos, it just takes me to my father's home where we have the mosaic and we play hopscotch and you don't have to draw the boxes.
Exactly.
So it's so playful, getting deeply rooted and connected.
Perfect.
Thank you so much for having us here, Shobha. Beautiful office. And one key learning what you would like to give the budding architects or anybody who's designing a traditional home?
Pallavi, I can say architecture is a passion driven industry where it doesn't come without challenges. You have to push your boundaries, you have to come out of your nutshell, and that helps you to innovate things. So I think this is a key learning from my side.
So it's all about innovating and bringing out something new.
Yeah, out of your comfort zone.
And something which is deep rooted culturally.
And preserving our cultural narrative.
Oh, wow, that's nice. And thank you so much for joining us for this home series. Thank you so much for joining for Home Stories. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned in for lots of such informative coming up series. Bye bye.